Okay, so today we're going to be talking about how to clean up those ridiculous bookmarks that we have everywhere, and if we're anything like this guy and me, you never even use them. So what I'm talking about is if we come here to our browsers, we have all these bookmarks here. I've accumulated a lot of these things over the years, and if you're like me as well, you have multiple browsers which also have different bookmarks in them, and they're not the same. And when you do need something, you spend a lot of your time going to look and find out where those bookmarks are at. So what I'm going to do is show you how the software FYI.to, this FYI.to is going to be able to clean up these bookmarks for us. Okay, so what we're going to do is go ahead and create an account on FYI.to, and if you don't know how to create an account, just look at another video that I have on how to set up an account. But what you're going to do is you're going to come in, and you can do it the hard way by coming to your bookmarks and dropping down to the menu. I think I want to target this photo related one, and then right click, copy it, and then come here and paste it. Okay, so that is one way to do it. I'm going to show you a shortcut. What you're going to do is you're going to come here, extend, kind of bookmark, and from bookmark you're going to go to bookmark manager. Yeah, bookmark manager is going to bring everything up just like a file system that you normally see, especially if you have a Windows computer. And so you're going to come here, I know, and I'm going to SB Automation, and then I'm going down to Photoshop related. Okay, great. So now I have them where they're going to always stay on the page. I can just split these windows a little bit, and now I can just go and paste these in. I'll be done here in a second. Okay, so I'm just finishing up here, and while I do that, I just want to talk about a few of the reasons why you want to do this is because one, when you use bookmarks, they're limited to a browser, and so if you don't log into that browser like you can do with Google Chrome, when you go to another computer, those bookmarks are gone. If you were to not log into your browser and that computer was to fail, your bookmarks are gone. So what this is going to allow you to do is to create your links on the web so that no matter where you go to, you have a central place to pull those links from. Another thing this is going to allow you to do is to organize your links and keep everything in one place. Okay, so we've done that. We put all the links that we wanted in there. So we're going to just scroll down and we're going to do create smart list. Now this was my photo and I can't spell, sorry. And software and video. Okay. Okay, and then if you want, you can also add a cover image, which I think I'm going to do. This is not going to be related because I didn't think ahead. So we're going to just do that one. Okay, and we're just going to click on confirm, and off it goes to create that smart list. Alright, so now what I have done is I have all of my photo and video links all in one place. If I want to share this with someone, then all I have to do is either go to here and share the entire list. If there's one in particular that I want to point out, then what I can do is I can come here and share it, copy that link, send the other person that link. So I'm going to come over and paste that link as though I'm someone else opening it. And what happens is as they scroll down, oh no. Okay, sorry about that. I should have been in another browser. Okay, so I sent them that link, and so now as they scroll down, there we go, it's going to pop up here as recommended for you. And so that's the one that you want them to go directly to. They click OK, and now they're able to go to the link that you sent them. Alright, so that's how you can clean up your bookmarks. Now what we can do is actually take this a step further and really start to combine the power of this. So hang on, let me show you how this looks. Okay, so this is pretty simple. What I went ahead and did was I just created another smart list out of another folder. So I went in and I got my all-in-one software, which as you can see is in this folder right here. I got a few softwares in there. So I got those softwares and I created a different smart list off of it. Okay, so if I wanted to combine these lists and say, okay, I just want one smart list to go to in order to get to all of my bookmarks, but now I have them all separately, okay? So all I need to do is add that to a smart list, add that to a smart list, and add the rest of those folders, and then do create smart list, and this is going to be all of my bookmarks. Okay, and so now the power of this is that you want to have your premium account so that you can create multiple of these folders, because with a free one you can only do 10. So we come back over here and we do a quick, yep, there we go. So all of my bookmarks is going to take this folder and this folder and any other folder that you may have. All you have to do is come here and you're going to see those two. You're going to see your photos, you're going to see your all-in-one software, and whatever other folders that you created with your bookmarks. So this is a good way to get rid of those clutters, get it back nice and clean up here, and if anything, you now just going to bookmark your link right here. Okay. If you have any questions, again, this is Sam Phillips on the Revenue 24/7 Guy. You can get your favorite blogger over at Make It in Florida, where I show businesses how to use technology to duplicate their revenue without adding more workload. So if you have any questions about this video, just leave a comment in the box, and I'll be glad to reply. Take care.